Today I have a Mitsubishi 2020 Strada here that has an HKS exhaust. My problem with the HKS is not the brand. My problem with the HKS is that it makes no power. Why do I say that? Because like you see here, the pipe size is the same as stock. It's 2.5. And you're only buying it for the name. You're buying it for some sound because apparently the thing has almost... it doesn't have a muffler. This little thing here, that little thing over there can hardly be considered a muffler. We're going to be baselining. This car's, by the way, already tuned. So with the HKS exhaust, we're going to be doing a baseline with the HKS exhaust. Then we're going to change it to a full 3-inch Borla ATAK exhaust. Then we'll dyno again to see if there's power gain. Obviously, you can skip to the last part and there will be, but I'm telling you now, there definitely is. Without doing nothing, without remapping, no changing, nothing, just the exhaust, you will see how much more power we gain from HKS, that's 2.5 inches, to Borla, that's 3 inches. Alright, we're done with our HKS versus Borla ATAK exhaust comparison, and the results are quite shocking. So this red line here is with its HKS exhaust. It's 200 horses without doing nothing because we didn't tune it anyway. Some other guy tuned it. Just putting in a 3-inch Borla ATAK exhaust got us another 32 horses more. So we went from 200 to 232. It's a pretty big jump. And here is also 170 to 210. So this part here is about 40 horses. So we can safely say that it's easily 20, 25, 30 horses more just by installing the correct size exhaust. So again, the HKS one makes zero power because this 200 horse here, that can be achieved on a completely stock car with a stock exhaust. We're able to do that. That's not the problem. So in short, if you buy an HKS, you're a complete idiot who bought something that gives you zero power increase. Doesn't even sound that good.